Hi all, today I am going to show you the water density experiment with lemon. For that, the materials required are 2 glasses of water, 2 lemon, water and salt. Let's see how this experiment is going to be. In the first glass, that is already we have taken 2 glasses with full of water. In the first glass, there is the glass having common water. Put the lemon. What happens is the lemon will sink in the water. Okay, in the next glass I am going to put 2 spoons of salt and mix it well. After that, put the lemon, and what happens is the lemon will float in the water. The reason behind is the density of the lemon is less than the density of the salt water. Thank you friends for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.